Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can make a significant difference in your cooking and meal prep routine, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is all about. This digital scale is designed for anyone who is serious about cooking, baking, or even managing their diet. It provides precise measurements in both grams and ounces, making it incredibly versatile for various culinary tasks. Whether you're weighing ingredients for a recipe or portioning food for meal prep, this scale has you covered. One of the standout features of this scale is its effortless weighing capability. It supports 5 different units of measurement: ounces, pounds and ounces, fluid ounces, grams, and milliliters. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of cooking and baking applications. Plus, it comes with a tare function, which allows you to zero out the weight of your container, so you can measure only the ingredients you're interested in without any hassle. And to top it all off, it includes 2 AAA batteries, so you can start using it right out of the box. Now, let's talk precision. The Etekcity scale can accurately weigh up to 11 pounds or 5 kilograms, with increments of just 1 gram. This level of accuracy is essential, especially for those who are following specific recipes or dietary guidelines, such as those on keto or weight loss journeys. You can trust that this scale will give you the exact measurements you need to achieve consistent results in your cooking. Another thing we love about this scale is its simple and compact design. It's sleek and lightweight, making it a perfect fit for most kitchen spaces. Whether you have a large kitchen or a small one, this scale can easily be stored in cabinets or on countertops without taking up much room. Its design not only looks good but also makes it easy to handle and operate. Cleaning is another important consideration when it comes to kitchen tools, and the Etekcity Food Scale excels in this area as well. The surface is made from 304 food-grade stainless steel, which is easy to wipe down and keep clean after use. This feature is particularly useful for anyone who cooks frequently and wants to maintain a hygienic cooking environment. The scale also features a backlit LCD display with large, easy-to-read fonts. This is a thoughtful addition, as it ensures that you can read the measurements clearly, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're cooking during the day or late at night, you won't have to squint to see your measurements. So, who is this scale suitable for? It's perfect for home cooks, bakers, dieters, and anyone who enjoys meal prepping. If you're someone who loves to experiment in the kitchen, having a reliable scale can help you achieve the best results. It's also great for those who are following specific dietary plans that require precise measurements of food. In terms of practical use cases, you can use this scale for baking bread, measuring out ingredients for sauces, or portioning snacks for the week. If you're into meal prepping, this scale can help you create balanced portions that fit your nutritional needs. Whether you're on a keto diet or simply trying to eat healthier, having accurate measurements can be a game changer. In conclusion, the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a fantastic kitchen tool that combines precision, ease of use, and compact design. Whether you're baking, cooking, or managing your diet, this scale is sure to enhance your experience in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.